At the same time, when you see here, the ATR is going up. What it means there is a high volatility in the market. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trader Chitra. Today we are going to discuss about ATR, that is average true range. ATR is a technical indicator that measures the volatility of the assets price. Here I have written ATR measures volatility in case of gap up and gap down. Typically, how the ATR is calculated based on the 14 periods, which can be used for intraday, daily, weekly or monthly. That is, we can use the ATR for intraday trading, swing and positional. Although this is not the leading indicator but just a helping indicator. If you are into trade, it will help to book the profits. Also helps to trail our profits. ATR is the best market volatility indicator. ATR indicator secrets. Here you can see this. This is the ATR indicator. This is how it will looks like. It is like a single line. Okay. Why we want to use ATR in our trading? Like it will helps to identify when the explosive trade is going to come. Also helps to set a stop loss like a professional trader. It will helps to ride the trend without getting stopped out on the retracements. We can make large profits when market is making large moves. But it's hard to get profit when the market is in the sideways, right? So this indicator will helps to predict when the market is breakout is going to come. Okay. ATR number that shows the average pips on the market in the past 14 candles according to the which time frame which you are using. Also, it does not measure the direction of the trend. When the higher the value of the ATR, the more volatile the market will be. The lower the value, the less volatile the market. Now we can see how can we add the ATR indicator in the trading view. So this is Nifty 30 minutes time frame chart. Now go to indicator and add ATR, that is average true range. Click on this. This is the default settings. We don't want to change anything in the settings. We can see how can we use the ATR in our trading. Here I have marked the major support and the resistance level, and when you see here the price is in the range bound, this area. At the same time, when you notice the ATR, there is no movement in the ATR also. ATR also going sideways, and we will go short. We will go for selling when the price breaks this level, that is the major resistance level. So we can see that the price started falling downwards, and when you notice at the same time the ATR is going up, that means there is a volatility in the market. So we can easily understand with the help of ATR. So this will helps to keep the trade according to our direction, and also we can keep trailing the profits. This is the Bank Nifty 30 minutes time frame chart, and I have drawn the trend line. This is the trend line and the major resistance level. So one can enter into the short trade if this resistance level is taken away. You can see the red candle here. We can go into short trade if this resistance is broken. Okay. So at the same time, when you see here the ATR is going up, what it means there is a high volatility in the market. So we can keep the trade according to our direction. So ATR helps to keep the trade according to our direction. Also we can trail our profits until you can see here the ATR is stable. That is ATR is in the same place. At the same time, when you see the price here is in the consolidation phase. So here we can book our profits. Now this is the HDFC Bank 1 hour time frame chart. So I have drawn the trend line here. So we all know how to enter into the trend line breakout trade. So one can enter into the long trade above this. Okay, if we get a trend line breakout, one can enter into the long trade above this, and we can keep this low of the candle as the stop loss. So everyone knows this is a pure price action trading. Okay, so we can go into a long trade above that. So when we enter into the trade, we can see that also the ATR also going up, means there is a huge volatility in the market. So this will give the double confirmation for us to enter into the long trade. So here you can see that the ATR is also moving. And when you notice from November 1st to November 10th, there is no movement in the market, that is price is in the sideways. You can see here. Okay. At the same time, when you see here the ATR also there is no move, means there is no volatility in the market. So by seeing the price and the ATR, we can clearly understand that whether we want to enter into the long or short trade. So this ATR will helps to take the trade, whether we want to take the long trade or short trade. So if we enter into any of the trade, it will helps to trail our profits. So in order to use the ATR in our trading, first we need to understand how the true range is calculated, that is TR. So here we have three methods, that is method 1, 2 and 3. So we will see the first method, that is current high less the current low, that is current high subtracted the current low. Second method is current high less the previous close, current high subtracted the previous close. And third method, current low less the previous close, that is current low subtracted the previous close. So here we can see that there are three pictures. What does the first picture denotes? That there is a gap in the price. So how we will calculate the true range here? So what it written is a small high or low range formed after the gap up. So there is a gap in the price. That's what here we have written. Okay. So how the TR is calculated? That is the difference between the current high and the previous close. So we will get the true range value. Okay, so I think you are clear with the first method. Next, we'll go to the second one. Here we can see that there is a gap in the price. Here this is a green candle. After that we got the red one. So we can clearly understand with the picture that there is a gap in the price. So a low range is formed after the gap down. That there is a price and the price is gap down. Okay. So how we will calculate the true range here? That is the difference between the current low and the previous close. So we will calculate the true range like this. Okay, for gap up and gap down. And what does the third picture denotes? That there is no movement in the price. We can say like sideways market or consolidation phase. That is the current close. This is the current close. The current close is within the previous high or the low range. So the true range value will be very small. So how we will calculate the true range here? That is the difference between the current high and the previous close. So this is how we will calculate true range for the different scenarios, that is different method. So once we understand that, we can start using in our trading. This is the Reliance daily time frame chart. Here we can see that there is a trend line breakout happened. Okay, so one can enter into the long trade above this candle. Okay, so the price is moving higher. So once we enter into the long trade, we got the double confirmation that the ATR also moving up. Okay, so this is how ATR will help us to enter into the trade. So once we enter into the trade, and if the trade that the price is going in our favor, we can always trail the profit, or else we can book the profits at the particular point where the ATR is like in the consolidation phase. At that place, we can always book the profits. So ATR is like a volatility instrument, that is a volatility indicator, which will helps to identify like the price movement is there or not, or whether the price is in the sideways or in the consolidation phase. So this is how we will use ATR in our day-to-day trading. This is the Nifty 5 minutes time frame for intraday traders. Okay, so you can see here this part, the price is in the consolidation phase. So when you look at the ATR also, like there is no movement in the ATR, like there is no volatility in the market. So we can clearly see that there is a support level here. So one can enter into the long trade if this level is taken. Okay, so we will enter into the long trade above this candle. So we can see that the price also moving higher. So when the price is moving higher, when we look into the ATR, so the ATR also moving up. So this will give the double confirmation for us to enter into the trade and hold the trade. So this is how we have to use the ATR in our trading. So yes, we can use ATR for intraday also, and we can use in the 15 minutes time frame chart or 1 hour time frame chart, depends upon which type of traders we are. We can also use in the daily, weekly and in the monthly charts too. Okay, so first we have to understand how we have to use the ATR in our trading. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.